Hi friends, welcome again to my channel. I'm Nini Arora, fashion stylist and a beauty expert. So today I'm going to make a very beautiful this cheetah print soap for all of you. Soap making is my passion since childhood. So I'm making it for my family and friends. And if you also want to order me, then you can contact my WhatsApp number. And also, it smells heavenly. You know, I have put some things in this so that your skin feels baby soft after using this. So, stay tuned. Love yourself. So for making this soap, you need a nice mold and isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol we call it, and titanium oxide for coloring, for making it white. Using this activate charcoal and green color and one beaker for the goat milk to melt in microwave. So here is this goat milk soap base. So I'm going to melt around about 100 grams. Okay, so I'm going into my kitchen for to melt it in my microwave. Okay, so it took 40 seconds in microwave to melt it fully. So just a pinch of green color I'm putting it to it so that it gives a nice, this tiger print effect. So while I'm doing it, I have to push all the powder so that it is coming to proper green color. So yeah, it has come to proper green color. So it has to be quickly done, otherwise it will again thickened up. So I'm making a like small patterns like on zebra. So in leftover batter, I have mixed this charcoal powder to give a tiger effect. As you can see, in all tiger prints, there is a black lining or black dots all over. So I'm making that effect with this charcoal powder. Rubbing alcohol so that they can stick together. I'm taking again. So here I'm again going to take 500 grams of around, I think 400 grams I'll take, because 4 mold I've taken. So I'll be putting round about till 500 grams, so it comes down to 400 because it is in solid form. So when we'll melt it, so it comes out to be 400. So it took 2 minutes to melt this much of melt and pour. So I'm going to add in some titanium dioxide because I want the color to be more whiter. Just a half teaspoon, and just mix it in. Add some passion fruit fragrance oil. Again, mix it in, and now I'm going to pour it on this. So before pouring, I'm going to put some isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, because so I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol so the bubbles goes off. So I'm again making small little patterns of zebra print again on top layer, where the layer is settled down, and now it's going to give another good effect on the other side of the soap, the same effect of zebra. So I have to again my this rubbing alcohol so that they can stick all together. So I'm going to next lock this in by putting my this leftover this goat milk, so it will be immersed inside. Whenever you will take a bath or you will use the soap, the pattern will come out by itself. The day by day the soap is melting and the pattern is coming out. So I'm again going to put some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. It eventually evaporates, just we use it for the bubbles formed on it. I have locked the design inside. So again going to, so that bubbles goes away. So this soap is kind of ready, and I'll have to wait for I think 20 minutes and it will be ready, and I will unmold it in front. So friends, I'm going to unmold this. First you have to like stretch away this. So it's looking so beautiful. I'm loving it. Oh my god, it has turned out to be so beautiful. Ooh, just look at this. Cheetah Print